These websites were created using the new ChatGPT Soul updates. The layouts look great, high quality images, creative sections, and these were all made with one simple prompt. Now, I don't really make YouTube videos every time like ChatGPT or Claude have an update. Many of the times, the websites don't really improve that much in design. But this time, Soul is different. In the official documentation of ChatGPT, it specifically says that Soul will actually build more complex websites and applications. It'll also take more accurate screenshots to website reaction. One of the biggest updates was now Soul can actually extract images it generates from screenshots. This means the website it generates, it can also generate each of the images in high quality so you can import it to any sort of AI builder. On top of that, they've improved visual and designing understanding. This means it can understand screenshots significantly better. As a result, you're going to have more creative, stronger looking websites than ever before. Now, to keep things very simple and straightforward, I went over to ChatGPT using the new Soul updates, and I asked it to create a really highly creative, award-winning style creative portfolio website, and this is what it created for me. Now, I took this same design and I went over to Claude Design and I had it clone that original design. Now, what I also did was I took the image of the woman right here and I gave it to Higsfield and they animated the image for me. As a result, now we have this really unique landing page with this woman, blinking, it's creative, it looks cool. And then I took this, I downloaded it and I put it on a domain and now this website is now live on the internet. So it's that fast and easy now to make a really high quality website using these new AI tools.